Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about the Git help command. I have already launched the Git batch, which is this interface here. So to invoke the Git help command, you simply type in Git space help and press enter, and it gives you this page here. If I scroll up, you can see, so it tells you with the Git help command, the usage, this is how you can use it. You can use it Git -- for example, if you want to find out the version of Git, you could do -- help -c and so on. So it's giving you the various parameters and ways you can use the Git help. And here it tells you these are common Git commands used in various situations. So feel free to go through them. I'll just go through one or two of them. This one here called clone. Clone basically allows you to clone a repository into a new directory. For example, if I see a project on GitHub that I like, I can clone that directory into my local repository, or I can clone it into a new repository on my local machine. Cloning basically means copying. So if I'm copying from a remote location, it's called cloning. When you create a Git repository, you have to initialize it. And the command you use to initialize it is init. You basically type git -init. So it tells you here the various options you can use to implement a Git command. So let me look through. There is one here called add. For example, if you wanted to add a file to your repository, into the staging area. Staging area basically is an area before you commit the file. So once you've committed it, then it becomes available for other people to use if you're pushing it out remotely. So you use add to add the files to what is called a staging or a holding area. So it gives you the descriptions here of what the various commands. So these are the commands, and these on the right here is the description. So here is a branch. It tells you a branch is a list. This is what you can do with a branch. So feel free to look through. Let me just test one of the commands. There is one for log. If I wanted to know more about log, I can just type in git help and then log and press enter, and it will give me information about the Git help page. So this is a page about the log, so I can look through, allows you to look at stuff relating to logs. So feel free to do that if you want on your convenient time. So I just wanted to show you what that command does. So I'll just jump back to the page again. There are other commands you can use. So anytime you are not sure what a command does, or you're trying to do something in Git, if you just go to the Git batch or the command line or the terminal and just type in git -help, it will give you a list of all these commands, and then you can just pick out the one you're trying to implement. So that's it for this lecture on Git help. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.